Okay. Last time we actually planned the activity, and now TSHRA and TSHRM. KSS4 is the next T code for planning cost. Okay, LAP9. It's our ZAP9. ZAP9, KSS4. Cost center 1x09, period 2 to 2, 2024, test run, execute. Errors. What are the errors? Messages. Cost element tracing factor. Splitting is not possible. 4,000. Okay. Splitting is not possible. Okay, why is it not possible? Okay. Cost element cannot be shared cost center period because the total inclusion is zero. Therefore, there is no splitting base. Direct cost for object hierarchy. This means there is no distribution basis for this cost element. Activity type equivalence and distribution for cost and values are not spread. They cannot take account for the processing. For the activity in cost center, so that total is not zero. There must be target cost because which are the distribution can use to spread the actual cost. Okay. Haven't we actually distributed this in TSHRA? Okay. X1009. Execute. This is a blocker. Okay. 4 errors. Messages 109. Okay. Activity types is basically making a problem. Let's go to SPRO. Cost center accounting, planning, manual planning, planner profiles, no. Activity types, cost elements for activity allocation, activity. Now default assignment, no. Where was that? Where was that? Activity, activity, activity. Period and closing. Activity allocation. Indirect. Indirect activity. ZAP 9. ZAP 4. KSC2. Overview of segments. One and one. Segment number, posted quantities, manual, automatic, test A, test M. First segment, X. KSHRA. Okay. Racing factor. The testing items. Activity type. Just test A. Sender receiver. Activity type is here, sender. Receiver will be X101201. Okay. KSS4. KSS4 to 2 X109. Execute message. Cost center, cost element, tracing factor. Tracing factor. Okay. Next segment, manual sender receiver SHRM sender values, SHRM receiving tracing. ZAP 9. I think we have missed some details somewhere and it's not prepared to give up. Okay, has been saved. One, two, test. TSHRS 720. TSHRS 720 equivalence number 2 and 1 X109. Activity type category. Okay, hours, 720, capacity, equivalence number is also all done set. No planning data has been changed. Okay, let's try the KSS4 again and 101. Now it is working. Oh, this is the thing that if you miss the periods, things actually go haywire. I mean, everything was in place and everything was working and we just missed the periods, right? Okay, Now, this is basically the cost that is being planned. We have already planned the activity, which is automated testing, quality control, and manual testing. This is the cost per item, and it will be as many items. This is the whole cost for the whole month. Now, the more items get passed, the cost will actually get reduced. Finally, test run, execute. Okay, continue. And this is posted. It took me some time, but fair enough. Okay, because sometimes you just actually get lost in uh, these months and these periods. Okay, and all cost centers version 1 to 1, version is 0, test run, execute, all business process, execute. Okay, now this is basically the activity quantity, which is hours, total price is this. Okay, per unit we have, now these are the items that will pick and count and pass through the quality, right? Okay, I hope you get the point. Okay, let's run, execute, detail list that will get. Okay, next is go to components. List does not contain any activity. Components are not there. More, go to components. More, go to components. Cost component is not there. Okay. Strange. More, go to components. HRM. Data not updated due to errors. What are the errors? Post exists through activity 0, update not started due to errors. Okay, that's the reason. Now let's see what is the error. Now these are some of the controls that we have to take care of. Every step basically has to be taken very cautiously. Plan posted for activity is 0 hour cost of plan posted. Involved division by 0, the plan cost is ignored in activity price calculation. The plan cost is ignored. Check the plan activity price for activity cost center period and cross plan of the cost center. Activity tablet primary cost for actual activity price. Actual cost allocated of the tablets, splitting all the nationality has been moved to this activity type. Okay. 720 total price and price unit. Okay. Update run. It is ending with error somehow. Yes. All cost centers. Test run. Execute. Have been posted. Okay, I've already posted it somehow, and forcefully we have actually posted it. Okay, KB31N. Now, next is X1001 item. Total quantity is 300. X1002 item 200. X1003 item 20. Okay, 01. 9018. It has been posted. Statistical key figures. These items now. These basically are items. Uh, Now these items will be distributed among these cost centers whenever these will be counted. Okay, and the quality that will be run will be distributed between these cost centers. This is the purpose of this activity. Okay, FB01L 0101 ZAP9 D 400 500 45,000 X1009 40 400 600 36,000 X1009 50 200 691 Okay, I've posted this. Fine. Now we have captured cost expenses at X1009. Now, at the same cost center, we are also sending the activity of quality, TSHRA. Okay, and we are sending the quantity now. That this much quantity has been counted, passed using rent and salary. I mean, this much salary and rent has been incurred while counting these many units or passing these many units. Okay. 01 01 9019. Okay. Next is KSC5. ZAP4 allocation of testing hours. Now we have collected salary and rent as expense and posted in 1009, and that will be sent per unit of counted items to X01, X02, X103. Okay. Execute. Now this is indirect activity allocation. Number of receivers 6, senders 2. Senders are TSHRA, TSHRM. So 3 sets of cost centers for every activity, allocation of testing hours. So let's stop over here for today. I guess